forget to sign in. Remember, the early bird gets the worm.
Am I late?
No. Hi. Team name?
Hummingbird and Crane.
Ooh. Returning competitor?
No.
Sponsor?
I'm here on a scholarship. I guess they would be my sponsor.
I don't have a scholarship file, so who's it from?
Bertha's handmade bird clothes.
Get down a little bit, ladies.
Miss Hammerstein, I am so happy to see you. I have your file all ready.
Davis. When did they start letting pigeons compete?
Oh, feed the pigeon rice, Heidi. You know, when pigeons eat rice, their stomach expands, so they...
A common pigeon has no place at the World Series. Watch your back, Davis. Klaus!
Okay. Finally! Hummingbird and Crane ready to fly.
Perch. Time for Juicy. Make a beak. Good. Oh, chocolates. Chocolate.
Mama's little birdie.
He's a prodigy, you know.
I'm sorry, I'll help you get
Heidi!
Heidi, Klaus! No.
Heidi, give us a call.
Now that's what a World Series champ sounds like, Raj. Welcome to the 54th World Series of Youth Birding. Which squawker will soar? Find out right after the break.
Are my paddles in order?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you wearing the...
I am.
Yes, marvelous. Take those pants off and get into costume. Go.
Good to see you.
Hi, Vivian Fox, my son Bertrand. His name is Birdie.
Welcome to the first event of the 54th World Series of Youth Birding Replication. You will have 3 seconds to identify and replicate the call of the bird chosen at random. You will be scored from 0 to 10. Let the best call win. Peregrine Falcons.
John James Audubon, that was good.
When your ears hurt, Rita, it's usually a good score.
Klausi,
Yeah.
does that small child look old enough to read?
No, she's the size of a hamster.
Och, I had a hamster once. I squeezed it so hard, it died.
Oh.
Stuff it up your schnitzel, Goldilocks.
Stuff it up your schnitzel.
I don't have one.
Du hast Schnitzel.
The Budgies. Hummingbird and Crane.
Rita, I just can't believe newcomer Dorrie Davis made it to the World Series. She's competing against veterans like Heidi Hammerstein.
Well, these two have met before, Raj. The last Hammerstein-Davis showdown was at the Southwest Spotathon.
I'm sorry, Miss Davis. Your selected bird was the white-breasted nuthatch. You made the call of the black-capped
speechless, Raj. Mistakes like this just do not fare well on the WSOYB stage.
You are right about that, Rita. Looks like Davis just can't handle the pressure.
Oh, that's what the World Series does, Raj. Separates the birders from the bird watchers.
We squashed this pigeon for good.
Dorrie? Dorrie, come on, open up.
No!
It wasn't that bad.
I confused a nuthatch with a chickadee.
What could happen to anyone? Dorrie, they're just birds.
Just birds? Birds are my everything, and there's no way that I can come back from that. I'm just a stupid charity case that nobody thinks can win, and I just proved them
Dorrie,
all right.
stop it. Okay, you're the
I don't belong here, Olivia. Not like Heidi.
You mean that German girl who smells like sauerkraut? She's just scared you're going to beat her. It doesn't matter how you got here. You deserve it. And I don't know about you, but I came here to win. So what do you say, Dora? Yes! Hummingbird. Hummingbird. Come on, everyone. Nope. Anyone? No one? Okay. Hummingbird! 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 Hummingbird!
Guten Tag, losers.
Step off, Streusel.
Ach, Pigeon has a friend, and it's Dodo Bird.
Enough! Let's settle this on stage.
Is that really what your tiny little heart desires, chickadee? Or is it nuthatch? The World Series is becoming a joke, huh? First scholarship kids. What next? Aliens?
Sure you're not just scared, Hammerstein?
Oh, scared of you, meine klitzekleine.
Oh, the little pigeon wants to fight you, Heidi.
Pigeon is so cute when she's angry.
Don't call me
Mess her up, Dorrie.
Why are you so tall?
Thanks, Birdie. A northern harrier. Look, so pretty.
So rare.
The plumage.
Hummingbird and Crane.
Stop the pigeon!
If you are not on stage within the next 5 seconds, you will be disqualified.
Now that sounded scholarship worthy, Rita.
Those scores alone might be good enough to qualify her for the next round, Raj.
Uh-huh. I love you.
What bird is this, Heidi? What now?
The judges will now tally the scores to determine who will enter the lightning round.
Only the top 3 teams will compete in this frighteningly fast-feeding frenzy of a competition. Try to say that 10 times fast, Rita.
No, I won't.
And the qualifying teams are Peregrine Falcons, the Budgies, and Hummingbird and Crane. Let the best call win.
What? That was textbook blue-footed booby, and you know it, lady. Your bun is wrapped too tight. That's the problem.
What? Why? What do you mean? Get your fucking hands off me!
We are now going into a final duel. One bird, one call. The first birder to respond correctly wins. On my count, Flipper. 3, 2, 1, go! The winner of the bird call competition is Hummingbird and Crane.
Heidi, how does it feel to lose for the first time and to rookie Dorrie Davis?
Will you be able to come back from this terrible loss in the next round?
Ich werde Ihre Hand, Ihre Herz in meine Hand nehmen und es ausrupfen, bis Ihr Blut meiner Hand runterrennt. Oh, die Mädchen, sie wird sterben.
I didn't quite catch that. Miss Hammerstein?